you.
I just put up his hand.
How old were you and Pap? How old are you and Pap?
I am 94, 93.
How old?
Pa's 96.
Can you remember, Ma, the wedding day 75 years ago?
Yes, ma'am.
What about it?
Well, it was a beautiful day.
How many years have you lived in this house?
55.
Are the young people of today like the people they were when you was young?
No, I don't think they are. I think they're more kind of common.
And did you and Pa ever have a quarrel?
No. Never did.
How old are you and Pa now?
I am 93, and Pa is 96.
How many years have you lived in this house? No.
Fif-
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
55.
Can you remember, Ma, your wedding day 75 years ago?
Very well. It was a nice, warm day, regular July day.
Are the people, young people of today, anything like the young people when you were young?
Why, yeah, I don't see why they ain't just about the same. They're just as good then as they are now.
Oh, yes. Well, who was the boss?
Myself.
And did you and Father ever have any quarrels?
No, we never did have any quarrels at all. Had little spats, same as anyone does.
But never anything was serious?
No, never anything serious.
Haven't talked to Father?
What?
Haven't talked Pastor?
No, haven't asked Father a question.
Ask Father a question. Can you remember? Think of anything to ask him?
Say, you remember 75 years ago?
Yes.
Well, what about it?
What about it?
Yeah.
Well,
Talk up loud.
Come on.
it was, hey, that stable house that was built last year.
Oh, fiddlestick on your stable.
I don't think you can get anything out of here.
I guess you don't know it.
One thing
Oh,
about
don't
it.
you talking in that thing now.
This house must be 150 years old.
You don't want me any longer.
What they used to travel around with when you was married. You were younger days.
Who my gang was?
No, who did you... What did you travel in? What was your carriage?
Carriage?
Yeah.
Then it had to have 2 seats. Yeah.
Right? All right.
Yeah.
He wants to know if you love me as well as you did when we was married.
Well, I suppose so.
Don't say I suppose so.
Well, yes, then.
Oh.
I've been settled.
I said,
I got my hat on. Why nobody want it on side day, do you?
No, you can't.
So I put it on side day,
say, do you love me just as well as you ever did?
Oh, yes.
Yes, he says.
Now give him a good kiss.
Well, that's...
Reach over and give him a kiss.
Ain't you going to kiss me?
You can, Miguel? Ah, go ahead.
No, I don't go. See, this time's going on. Fast, and I won't be out. Oh, give me a hug. Will you give me a hug and a kiss to go with it?
Give her a hug.
A hug. Will you put your arm around me and hug me?
What do you want to do that for? What?
Well, shall to see him. Kiss me.
Yeah, what?
There, that's satisfied you.
That's
That's good. We're awful glad you're so well.
Happy to meet you, my dear, and
Shake,
many
don't
happy
you?
returns.
Can't you shake?
It's an honor.
What do you want to do?
Shake hands. How are you?
Oh.
It's an honor, Uncle Lucius. It's an honor to be here.
How do you do? Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye, Myra.
Goodbye.
Bye, Lucius.
Congratulate you, my Uncle Lucius, too.
Glad to see you well, Mary. Lucius?
Do? Glad to see you. How do you do? Wish you joy. How do you do? Wish you joy, too.
Wish you lots of more happiness.
Thank you.
You the same.
Congratulations, Grandma.
Thank you.
And you, Mr. Burrell. Congratulations,
Thank
Aunt
you.
Mary.
Many happy returns of the day, Aunt Marcia.
Thank you.
Let's see. Here.
Come on now.
What's that?
Well, happy returns of the day, Grandma.
Thank you.
Not all.
Happy returns of the day, Mother. Thank you.
Well, see if you can tell us something anyway. Just give us a little speech.
I can't.
Can't you?
No. Don't ask me to make any speeches. I've done about all I want to do one day. Somebody can talk from if they want to. They know what kind of a acting thing I've done that I could be. Dancing, singing, whistling. Hurry up, Maria.
All right, Grandma.
I forgot it now. I've been married 75 years. And I'm very happy that I have lived so long. Want any more? I've been married 75 years, and I'm very happy today.
All right. Grandpa and Grandmother, we're very happy to be here today to help you celebrate your 75th anniversary. We're very glad to have all our friends here participate in the celebration. It's remarkable that these two old couple were married 6 years before the inauguration of President Lincoln and the time of President Franklin Pierce, who was inaugurated President of the United States in 1855. Again, I wish to congratulate you both.
Now, Larry. Hey, hold it.
All right. Grandpa and Grandma, we're very glad to be here today to help you celebrate your 75th wedding anniversary. Very glad to have all our friends here to help us participate in this celebration. It is quite remarkable. These two old couple were married at the time 6 years before the inauguration of President Lincoln, and the time of President Franklin Pierce was President of the United States in 1855. Again, allow me to congratulate the both of you. Thank you.